Are you an entrepreneur who wants to cash in on products that sell like hotcakes? Then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to talk about products and niches that are going to be trending in 2021. How do I know this? Well, the future predicting oracle that is Google Analytics has shared its secrets with me. The search volume for these niches is starting to skyrocket just about now, which means that any of these niches could be big winners in the year ahead. Now let me be clear about one thing before we get into this list. Some of these niches are going to surprise you and others you'll have heard of before. Unusual or not, the data backs up that these niches are going someplace. And if you start selling them now, you could be in for a windfall in 2021. By the end of this video, you're gonna have plenty of ideas as to what to sell, but you may need some tips when it comes to selling them. That's why it's so important for you to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Myself, Magda, and plenty of our Overload teammates are going to be on YouTube every week telling you how you can best succeed at e-commerce and get those sales. Okay, we have a lot to get through, so let's start with our first item on the list. The first of our 21 niches is resistance bands. Stop, don't you dare click back. I know you've heard a lot about resistance bands, but I wouldn't be talking to you about them if they weren't still selling so well. Do not tell me for a minute that this market is saturated because I have data that proves otherwise. The reason resistance bands are trending is because people are working out from home. We're still in the midst of a global pandemic. That's why I'm filming from home. And that's why home gym equipment is really blowing up right now. Resistance bands in particular are great products to sell because they're not expensive, nor are they heavy, and yet it's still a piece of exercise equipment with which someone can do a whole range of exercises. Bundle this product with other gear like jump ropes, and you have got a fitness brand in the making. Next on the list is beard oil. I told you some of these products were going to be surprising. Thanks to hipsters for making beard sexy again, I guess. A lot of people are looking for ways to keep their beards looking lush and silky. For this reason, the beard care niche is a great niche to explore. You can start by selling beard oil, but then you can add on to that with beard grooming accessories. Our third niche is acupressure mats. Not surprisingly, this has been a big year for any product that contributes to well-being or mental clarity. Don't let the hostile appearance of these pointy little mats fool you. All of these little points on acupressure mats help to relieve different aches and pains in the body. And sweet, sweet relief is exactly what people are after in these trying times. The fourth product on our list is laptop skins. Yeah, I didn't see this one coming either. Search volume for this niche has been fairly steady over the past 5 years, but we're starting to see it grow. My tip, start selling these products. My tip, start selling laptops. Oh, man, today has been I usually have a little bit more endurance than this, yeah. Here's a tip. Start selling laptop skins that feature a unique design that you can target to a particular audience on Facebook. In other words, go niche. Sell laptop skins with a botanical design and sell them to people who like succulents and gardening. After you've mastered product market fit in one niche, move on to the next. Next, while they look like they've jumped right out of a sci-fi movie, infrared thermometers are still trending, and that trend is expected to continue into 2021. This product is very demand in a global pandemic because it allows people to take other people's temperatures without actually touching them. There are different types of infrared thermometers, however, and that's what makes this so interesting to sell. In a professional kitchen environment, these thermometers are often used to determine how hot something is without touching it. People can also use infrared thermometers to measure for weak spots in insulation and to determine how much heat a car engine is giving off. In other words, you don't just have to market to people who are panicking in a pandemic. You can make sales with infrared thermometers by marketing to all kinds of demographics with niche-specific thermometers. Okay, so pet products always tend to perform well, but right now interest in cat and dog beds is exploding. To start selling in this niche, it's really important that you pick a dog or cat bed with a unique characteristic, and that will allow you to market that dog or cat bed to a particular audience. For example, an especially health-conscious dog owner might want an ergonomic dog bed. That's the kind of product market fit that will allow you to get sales without getting stuck in the competition. This next niche surprised me because it's vintage rugs. Maybe it's because we're spending more time at home or because we're yearning for simpler times. Either way, interest in vintage rugs is on the rise. The nice thing about selling vintage rugs in particular is that it already helps you take a broad product like rugs and niche down. That again is what's going to allow you to find your customers more easily when you start marketing to them in 2021. We're going from interior to exterior because the next product or niche on our list is garden accessories. With traveling abroad temporarily put on hold, a lot of people are holidaying around the home, or in their gardens to be more exact. As a result, demand for garden accessories, outdoor furniture, even outdoor screens is really skyrocketing. If you want a particular product recommendation, I actually really love these novelty watering cans. And if you're thinking, hey, right now it's the winter, no one's gardening, that is exactly why this is a great time to start setting up your store. By the way, if you haven't already done so, enroll in Dropshipping 101. It's our free course and it shows you step by step how to start your first online store and even how to launch Facebook ads. For more information and to get started in class, click the link below. The next product on our list is jigsaw puzzles. I was thinking about selling jigsaw puzzles before this was on the list, actually. The reason is so many people are spending more time at home and they're looking for activities that the whole family can join in on. Jigsaw puzzles are lightweight, inexpensive, and don't involve any game rules, which means no family fighting. Once again, and you're getting a theme here, if you decide to start selling jigsaw puzzles, you'll want to make sure that you're selling jigsaw puzzles that appeal to a particular niche. Just selling a puzzle of a beautiful seaside scene is probably going to be really tough. Lots of people are doing that. However, if you sell jigsaw puzzles related to a particular place, say Cape Cod, or a particular type of animal or something like that, then you're a lot more likely to attract people who love that topic and are looking for an activity like jigsaw puzzles. The next niche on our list is the power tools niche. With so many people spending more time at home, they're noticing things around the house that could use some fixing. Power tools like this circular saw help people to do just that. Now, if you're new to e-commerce, you may not want to get started selling dangerous power tools. However, there are lots of power tool accessories that you can sell, such as a magnetic bracelet that helps people keep their nuts and bolts close at hand. The next niche on the list, security cameras. This industry has grown a lot in the past few years, and it's headed for another peak in 2021. Particular products to explore here could be Wi-Fi security cameras or mini security cameras. Next, regardless of whether people are working from the home or the office, posture issues are still a problem. That's why posture correctors are still an incredible niche to sell in. Posture correctors are discreet, supportive belts or vests that can be worn under clothes. And here's a fun fact. Google search for posture corrector for men has nearly twice the volume as Google search for posture corrector for women. So if you want to get started with this niche, skew towards the male demographic. Our next niche has been steadily trending since 2011, but now that we're all in Zoom meetings, people are paying even more attention to what's in their background. That's why ladder bookshelves are going up, up, up. Stylish, chic, multi-purpose, and Insta-friendly, ladder bookshelves are a great niche to explore if you want to get into the home decor space. I love this next niche in particular. You know how everyone is making bread during the pandemic? Well, everyone has to clean up that doughy mess afterwards, and that is an absolute pain. Enter the dough scraper. This very simple, inexpensive, lightweight tool can help people to clean dough that might be sticking to their countertops. And that's exactly your ad if you decide to start selling this. Show the problem, a messy countertop, and this lightweight tool as the solution. That's what's going to get people to click buy and bring in the sales in 2021. The next niche is baby clothes. Now, baby clothes are always in demand. However, since March, we've started to see Google search interest in baby clothes rise up, up, up. This is a good indicator that this is a hot niche for 2021. What's more, there's growing speculation that 9 months from the first lockdown in the spring of 2020, there will be a baby boom. And all those babies will need clothes. That's where your niche store comes in. This year, dining room furniture saw a dramatic surge in search interest. I went a little bit deeper into this category and I saw that pendant lights proved to be a really promising product to sell in 2021. The pendant light trend has been on the rise since April. What's great about this niche is there are tons of different styles of pendant lights to choose from. So whether you open an online minimalistic decor store or you go for something more floral, you're sure to find a pendant light that you can use to get sales and cash in on this trend. The next niche is car vacuum cleaners. That's it. The next niche is there probably aren't as many people commuting to and from work anymore. However, a lot more people are taking road trips instead of flights abroad. Whether it's because they're spending longer periods in their car or they're just more clean and tidy about their surroundings, that could be why car vacuum cleaners are trending. They allow people to keep their cars neat and tidy even during long road trips. A quick SEO tip. If you decide to sell car vacuum cleaners, sell small ones. That's because the term portable car vacuum cleaner gets a lot of search interest and could convert for you. The next niche on our list is the laser hair removal niche. The term remove hair has been a growing keyword over the past couple of years. It's no surprise then that laser hair removal has also been a growing Google trend. As a result, laser hair removal devices are in demand. The next niche to sell in is teeth whitening strips. We're spending more time than ever smiling into a camera, and so people are more self-conscious that their smiles aren't wide enough. That's why this is a great product to start selling in 2021. Another niche to consider selling in is the organic skincare niche. As you've heard before, anything having to do with wellness or self-care is really trending right now during the global pandemic. Skincare is one of those products. And organic skincare is especially in demand because it's eco-friendly. The last niche on our list is solar power products. This niche is great because the products have a lot of things going for them that dropshippers can use to advertise. For example, they're eco-friendly, they last a long time, and they don't require you to buy additional batteries. Within this niche, solar panels, solar chargers, and solar lights are doing particularly well. So add any of these products to your store if you want to add a little sun power to your online store in 2021. That's it. That's our list of products that you can start selling in 2021. What do you think of the list? Would you add or take away anything from it? Let me know what you think of the list in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy hustling.